Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to chapter number 9, that is industry and trade. Today we'll start with import and export on foreign trade. When planning started in 1951, the import of industrial goods and raw material required for production increased. India's import included machines, iron, minerals, oil, fertilizers, medicines, etc. India also gave impetus to export after independence in order to gain valuable foreign exchange. India's export include tea, coffee, spices, cotton, textile, leather, footwear, pearls, precious stones, etc. See, we have learned about the import and export in a very deep manner. Now, so we are we export things, we import things. When we import things, we have to lose our our currency and the value of our currency. But we export goods, what happen? Our currency value increase. Why? What is this happen? Why? In what we are very popular in that spices, cotton, teas and coffees. We are textiles and all these are the things we have. uh, you know we are very popular in this. Then internal trade. India's internal trade takes place via railways, waterways, roadways, etc. Ports like Mumbai, Kolkata, Kochi and Chennai are important. Commodities like coal, cotton textile, rice, wheat, raw, jute, iron, steels, oil, seeds, salt, sugar, etc. are included in internal trade. Due to the development of industries, the standard of the people life in the country improved. Many opportunities for employments become available. On the whole, it helps in the progress of the country. See, now what happened? We started focusing on the internal trade as well as external trade, even in the import and export. What happened? We do internal trade through railways, waterways, roadways and airways. These are the states we travel. We switch the thing from one place to another. That is, there are number of places we do the internet trade, like Mumbai, Kolkata, Cochin and Chennai. What commodities we exchange? There are hundred of commodities we are expert in, like rice, textile, wheat, raw, jutes, iron, steel, etc. In next chapter we shall have the life of Indians has been changing. Now the changing life cycles of the human being. We'll see till here. Next we'll continue in next lecture. Thank you.